Hi everyone, welcome back once again. My name is Daulat Hussain. In the last video, I talk about paraphrasing tool of small SEO. In that video, I have shown you everything that how you can use the tool to make the necessary changes in the article whenever you are copying any article from the web and you want to make the tweak in that. In this video, I will show you that how you can change any text from uppercase to smaller case and you can able to bring some kind of styling in the text. So let me show you that how you can do that. In this video I'm going to use this uppercase to lowercase tool and just click on that and you will come to here. And if you want to do any tweaks, any changes in the text, suppose I have copied this content from my website and I will get back again up here. If I paste the content and here down bottom you can see few examples, few styling which you can use it. Like if I will click on this one, what will happen that this is how the entire things will change. Like one small, then bigger, bigger, then small, bigger, bigger, then this is how the entire text is going to look like. If I click on this one is a normal one, like first one is capital, then the rest would be the small. If I click on this, the entire article, the entire content would be in this small format. If I click on this uppercase, the entire content would be in upper. So when you are writing content and you have written a content and now you are thinking to change the make it to the upper scale or lower scale, then you can use this tool once. So simply click here and the size, the capital letter or a small letter, it will automatically change from here. If you can click on here, you will find in this way. If you click on here, you will find in this way. So it's totally up to you. We mainly use these kind of stylings when we want to make any design on our website or for normal purpose. So this is how you can use these tools to do the changes in the uppercase, lowercase, and there are some other options. You can choose whatever you want. Once you're done with that, you can just simply click on copy and the entire text would be copied and you can use it right the way you like. That's it in this video. I hope you have liked it. In the next video I will talk about word combiner small SEO tool, that how you can use this word combiner and why we use it, what are the benefits and downside of these tools we have. So don't forget to watch that video where I'm going to explain you everything about word combiner. If you have any questions, any doubt, leave that in the comment section and I would love to help you on that. Have a wonderful day.